Class, so today I'm going to show you how to work on part 3, week 3 of our Little Red Riding Hood unit. So you're going to go on our Google Classroom and you're going to press classwork. Then you're going to scroll down to Little Red Riding Hood English and you're going to find Little Red Riding Hood part 3, explore. So you're going to click on that, scroll down, and here we can see now we are going to explore different versions of Little Red Riding Hood. Click on links to discover different versions of Little Red Riding Hood. Some links will be in English and some will be in Spanish. If you would like to listen to this story, type the title and the author into Google along with read aloud. You can't see it there, so maybe let's go on view assignment instructions. There we go, along with read aloud. Please listen to at least 3 different versions. You're more than welcome to listen to as many as you'd like, as long as it's 3 or more. So here we have all these links for you. So let's go on this one. Let's see what it brings us to. Here we have Little Red Riding Hood, 3 multicultural versions. Remember to have an adult helping you with the reading because it can get a little bit difficult here. So let's see what we can find. Look at all these books. Well, you can press X on these. So I see Pretty Selma, a Little Red Riding Hood story from Africa. I see Petite Rogue, a Cajun Red Riding Hood story. That sounds cool. And I see, did we miss one? Here we go, Lan Po Po, a Red Riding Hood story from China. So here, this website just has 3 different versions for us already. So let's say you wanted to listen to one of these as a read aloud. You can copy, we don't want all that. You can copy the title and the author. Remember, you can press, we want that L in there, right? So we're going to highlight it and we're going to press copy. Now we're going to open a new tab in Google and we will paste the title and the author and we will type read aloud and then press enter to search. Let's see what we can find. Look at all these different read alouds. You can click on whatever one you'd like. So let's click on this one. And here we go. Here's our video with the read aloud. So, let's pause this video. Just as a reminder, in our Google Classroom, for part 3 Explore, I want you to click on all these different links and I want you to find at least 3, hopefully more different versions of Little Red Riding Hood. We're going to be talking about this later on next week, so I want you to make sure that you do find 3 different versions that you really like. And if you find more, that's even better. If you want to listen to the story, you just copy the title with the author, paste it in Google, and type a read aloud. Remember to have an adult help you with this, or someone older who's good at spelling, reading, and typing. And then together you guys can listen to the stories. Let me know if you guys have any questions.